Hello everyone, welcome to Focal Point. This is the question that was asked in GATE 2016. So what is saying? It is saying that max xy returns the maximum value of x and y. Okay, so this is the max function that is returning the maximum value of these both numbers. Okay, so the value printed by this program is, you need to tell that what will be the output of this code. Okay, so in here we are going to call our main function in our stack area. So this is our integer array and these are the values of the array. Okay, so this a is a pointer to this array, so this is a pointer to this array, and what is it going to store? It is storing the base address of it. So we have assumed that the address of this first element, this is 1000. Okay, so we have assumed that the base address of this array is 1000, so a will be storing the value 1000. And now we are going to print a value that is written by function f. We are going to call our function f in here, and this 1000. So this a is passed. So what is the value that is stored inside the a? That is 1000, and number 5 is passed here. Okay, so now let's see what is the definition of this function f. We are again taking this value inside this pointer p, so this 1000 will be copied inside this p, and this n will be equals to 5 in here. Okay, so now we are going to check the condition. This condition is false, so we will be executing this else condition. In the else condition, what will be written? The max value of the value that is written by the function f, and this p0 minus p1. So what is the value of p0? The meaning of this p0 is that we are accessing the value that is pointed by 1000. Okay, so that is the meaning of that. So 1000 value is 3 and p1 value is this 5, so p minus 5. Okay, so whatever be the maximum value in these two numbers, that will be written in here. So we are going to call our main function f again, because we need the value of that. So what is going to pass in here? We are going to pass p plus 1. So p plus 1 will be 1002. Why? Because according to pointers arithmetic, if you are adding plus 1, then that value will be increased by the type of it. Okay, so type of this p is integer, and that's why it will be increased by 2 bytes. And now what will be the next value? That the n value will be n minus 1, that is 4 will be passed. Okay, in this function p value will be 1002 and n value will be 4. Okay, now again we are going to return the maximum value of function value that will be written by this function, and this 5 minus 2. Okay, because now our p0 is this 1002 and p1 will be 1004. Okay, and that's why 5 minus 2 will be written. Again we are going to call our function f with the updated value, with the value 1004, because this will be this p plus 1 that will be increased by 2 bytes, and n minus 1 will be 3 in here. So again p value will be 1004 and value will be 3 in here, and that's why then v will be, so this condition is false, and that's why we will be executing this else condition, and we are going to return the value that will of maximum of function value that will be returned by function f, and this 2 minus 6. Okay, so again what we are going to do, we are going to call our function f with the values 1006, because this will be increased by 2 byte and 2. Okay, and now the value of this p will be 1006 and n will be 2. Again this condition is false, so we will be returning max of value that will be written by function f, and 6 minus 4. Okay, again what we are going to do, we need the value of that will be written by function f. So updated value will be 1008 and n value will be 1. So in this condition, now this condition is true. So this return value will be 0. Okay, so 0 will be written from here to here. 0 will be written in here, and this function will be popped out from the memory. Okay, so this function will be popped out from the memory, and after that this 0 is received in here. So maximum of 0, and what is the value of this? This is 2. Okay, so 2 will be written in here to here. Okay, so 2 will be written here. Okay, so this is the last line, and that's why this function will be popped out from the memory. Okay, and now this value is 2 and this value is -4. Okay, so the maximum of these is 2. Okay, so 2 will be written here to here. Okay, so now this function will be popped out from the memory, and now this 2 and this value is 3. Okay, so maximum of 2 and 3 is this 3, so 3 will be written here to here. Okay, so 3 will be written here in this function, and now this function will be popped out from the memory. And now what is the value will be written in from here? That will be maximum of this and -2. Okay, so now 3 will be written to here to in the main function. So now this function will also be popped out from the memory. So now what will be happening in the main function? Now we came back to our main function, and that's why this value will be written. So what value that is written by this a function f, that is number 3. So what will be printed? 3 will be printed. So what will be the output of it? 3 will be the output of it. So A is the correct answer of it. So 3 will be the output of this question. So this is the correct answer. So thank you so much. See you in the next video.